Quickly edit multiple records from your Quickbase table using the Grid Editor plugin. Data is loaded in an Excel-like format from your Quickbase table. Double tap on the editable field. Edit multiple rows as per your need. The Grid Editor supports multiple Quickbase field types like text, email, link, date, image, etc. Read-only or non-editable fields will be grayed out when you double tap on them. Tap the Save button to save only the newly edited records back to Quickbase. Tab on the Reload button to reload the data from Quickbase. See how to configure a plugin video to view the 3 simple steps required to configure this plugin. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arkone.dev.